Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video we'll see this 3-in-1 rotary multifunction peeler for vegetables and fruits. Yeah, this is very handy and the build quality is looking good. We'll see the full unboxing and the details. So this the user has purchased under 150 rupees, to be precise it will be something like 130 rupees. Anyway, I'll be attaching this in the view products. For more details you can check. Yeah, this is the package. What are inside? Just this roller. You don't need to install anything. This is pre-assembled and there are 3 type of blades within this peeler and with good gripping. Okay, thank you something. Okay, so if you are people like who consumes daily cucumber or carrots or often potatoes, then this slicer will be useful. See here, when you want to slice cucumber or when you want to grate carrot, when you want to peel tomatoes or is potato, this would be useful. Means multifunctional within the budget. That is the main advantage of this. See here, I'll be showing you the close look. This is for the slices and the peeling. Yeah, these teeth blades, short teeth blades. So 3 varieties of blades in a single. So you can call this as 3-in-1 peeler. Means you need to just rotate that. According to the use, you need to just rotate that. That is for the grip. Yes, the build quality is decent and strong enough. You can see the good quality. Yeah, and the blades. So for even for the fruits, when you want to peel, the fruits which needs to be peeled, you can just use it. And in the next upcoming video, what I'll do is I'll do a practical test on tomato or carrot or cucumber and some of the fruits like kharbuza and some fruits, so that it would be detailed demonstration that how to can use this 3-in-1 vegetable and fruits peeler. And please do comment your opinion in the comment section below about this product. Yeah, and this is for the gripping purpose actually, the gripping purpose, and this is rust resistant and the weight is 100 grams, which is handy. Okay, and the looks wise also it is looking decently good. Yeah, please do comment your opinion, and if you want how to use video, please do ask in the comments. Thanks for watching.